If you just booked a cruise on the Disney Dream, congrats! You're about to have an incredible vacation. But if your kids are like mine, they may be nervous about being dropped off at the Kids Club for the first time. So let's go to the open house on Embarkation Day to show them the most up-to-date info about Disney's Oceaneer Club for kids and give you a tour of the Edge and Vibe spaces for tweens and teens on this cruise with Nick and our 5-year-old.
So we have finished our lunch, we've gone to our room and set our backpack down. Our other bags have not arrived, but Axon is ready to go explore the Kids Club. Now, he doesn't really remember having gone to this Kids Club. He was last on the Dream in 2022, so like 3 years ago. So he was like 2 years old, so he doesn't really remember it. But also, this Oceaneers Club has recently undergone a dry dock and has changed. So, okay, walk down to 5. Now, Axon, last time you were here, you went to It's a Small World nursery because you were not even 3 years old yet. But how old are you now?
5.
5? Oh, caught ya.
So now I don't need to go.
Correct.
Side up.
Yep. Okay, Axon, I need you to give me the tour. This is not real grass. Okay.
Who got a goal?
They got a goal? This is cool, though.
This central space is often used for games, but you never know what characters might drop by too.
Now, Andy's room hasn't really changed from what it was last time we were here. Okay, Axon, show me around Andy's room. Wait a minute, I think we have a picture of Mia in that car. Who is he? Mashed Potato Head?
No, Mr.
Oh, Mr. Potato Head. Oh, no, wait, is this Slinky Dog Dash? You're not buckled in. Room.
There's no toys.
No toys.
Don't worry, they'll bring out the toys once the club is in session.
Oh no, it's jail.
Don't go in there. No. Piggy's better eat my potato. Luckily, no teeth got off.
This is that bathroom zone.
Some of the biggest changes from the dry dock are the retheming of these Pixar bathrooms. They have tiny toilets, individual stalls with lights overhead to indicate when they're in use, and the magic hand washing machines, but also some regular sinks for additional hand washing.
This is the Millennium Falcon area of the Kids Club. Oh, is that R2-D2? Hey, R2. Oh, this is the Marvel area I was talking about. This had previously been the video game area.
The Marvel Room was previously all Disney Infinity video games, but now is themed to Spider-Man and Ant-Man.
Huh? It's too sticky.
I don't know.
The room features many interactive areas that are up and running once the club is properly open.
Pixie Hollow is the sort of like arts and crafts station, but they don't have all the arts and crafts stuff out during the open house. But this is where Nora would live if she were here. Oh, I think I found the arts and crafts stuff, but I didn't say that. It's right there. Shh. And then through the bathroom area is the sort of lab station where they do various crafts like slime. What do you think happens in this room? I think this is like the movie room, right? Right now we got Aladdin going. Maybe Aladdin, maybe some Aladdin sequel. Whoa, look at Axon. Do you see the pirate-themed bathrooms? Those are cool. Animator's studio area, which also looks like maybe a craft space, maybe a game space, not really sure.
In this nook, you pretend to be the captain steering the ship.
Captain America's field.
Whoa!
And here, the Playmation room is where all of those Disney Infinity figurines got relocated to. The space on the lab side has many little nooks that can be used for a lot of different purposes, so kids can choose their own adventure if they like.
Media lounge. And this is interesting because they're showing Tangled here, so they're showing a different video than what was on in the main video screens at the other side of the lab. This is more, feels like this is a quieter film room as opposed to the big large one in the main space.
The central area on the lab side has another touch floor, but also touch tables where you can play digital games. We demonstrate those on our video from our previous Dream Cruise, and you can find the video linked here.
24 hours later.
So we are here in Nassau. We're not getting off the ship, and there is an open house at Edge. And I will say, Edge and Vibe are the hardest things to find anywhere. So if you look on the map, it says that they're on deck 5. But if you go to deck 5, it says that they're only wheelchair accessible entrances. And then you have to look pretty hard to find the fact that actually the entrance is on deck 4 and it's like past the theater. So you go up to the theater, and there's no way of going anywhere past the theater. So you have to go out on the running deck, and there's these very kind of almost hidden signs to go up. Okay, let's see. So if we were here with Asher, this would be the club that he has now graduated up to. So for the next 20 minutes or so, they have an open house. And then Vibe has an open house for about an hour or so.
Edge is for ages 11 to 14 and often has movies, games, including video games, available along with counselor-led activities like scavenger hunts and karaoke. This space is newly located here since the 2024 dry dock, and it's a fresh, cool spot for your tween to make friends on your sailing. I think the best feature is this outdoor sun deck with a splash pool and hot tubs, as well as areas for games like Gaga Ball and Foursquare. This area is accessible between the two teen clubs and exclusively available for those guests. Super cool. Vibe, the teen club for ages 14 to 17, has a fun nightclub feel that gets teens excited to have a space of their very own.
Beautiful. This is a beautiful color.
From the foosball tables to the pod seats, teens can find something that suits them. The sleek round seating with private video screens were one of our favorite spots. Nick and Axon played a game and just enjoyed the otherwise exclusive space. The top tip I've seen online is that teens should definitely attend the club on the first night orientation to learn all that the space has to offer and meet some new friends. If you're looking for other family-friendly activities for your cruise, be sure to check out this video here. It even includes our highlights from Lookout Key on Lighthouse Point. Thanks for joining us in the Oceaneer Club, and we'll see you next week with everything we ate on the Disney Dream. Thanks so much for watching.